Yes, my people, good morning again. I don't know, say I fire read one more time. I know, see me I check out a small farm and I hear a hot grabber farm and farm. Hot grabber we call it tobacco. So I give my link in the morning, yeah. So I don't know, say I give a man a strength in the morning. So a small farmer will survive in a corona time and thing, you know. So true Jamaican vibes, fire read, like, share and subscribe to my channel. One love and one heart. So we're going to link up a small grabber farmer. Yes, my people, so you don't know, say the farmer this year. They man survive through corona time, people. So I'm giving a link on him right now.
Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. This is Omar, you know, from Outer Burn Savannah. You don't know me, you know, the tobacco farming thing, you know. So this is the bed, or we plant it and thing, you know. So right now in the morning, pull some sucker, you know, we're going at the farm of plant it and thing. So just like this, you know, look at it, you know, you don't know it's fully ready to plant and thing, you know. Yeah, so when you're pulling it and thing, you have to take your time, squeeze it down there and pull them one on one, because it's a delicate thing, you know. If you hungry it too bad, you don't know you're going to mash up the smaller one them and thing that to come, so you can plant and make some more money, you know. So you have to take your time, pull one and do your thing, you know. Yeah, because you can see I already planted some out of it already, so I have to keep on do some more transplant same way, you know. So yeah, this is already surviving at the corona thing, you know, because you don't know no money no there and nothing no there. So we have to plant, look at Grabba and look at callaloo, everything to the callaloo farm over there, so I do well too, you know. You don't know, you know. So don't farm him up and thing and mold him up and thing, make him come here now. Can sell and get
yes, my people.
Money, you know? Yeah, alright. So you don't know the callaloo bed over there, so I already plant out some out of it already, you know. Yesterday I let the goat come in and eat and some, you know, but I don't bother what because I'm next door neighbor, you know, so I don't know, say, I saw a thing going, you know. So yeah, so this is the sucker that I'm pulling, the grabber sucker, the hot grabber that they call tobacco. This is the sucker and this is the bed, you know. This is the way it springs from. Yeah.
And yes, my people, and he mostly deal with organic, no chemical, mostly organic him deal with.
Yeah.
So them man survive through corona time. And you know, say, them man hard working. Them man always put in the work. Always put in the work, no matter what. You find anything and do farming, anything, always survive. I know say right now when they done the farming, them touch you road same way, go do some hustling same way. Them man always work. See color of them here? How they green and pretty. Yeah, man.
Go, you know. Take your time on the bed, you know. Yesterday I sprayed. You look at 7 stars, you don't know. You look at all them and thing in the leaf, you don't know it's worm, you know. So you have to protect it. So you give it a little 7, you know. You know, last 7 days on it, you know, really long time and thing, you know. Yeah. So you don't know where you go. You see this one, you can see how healthy it is. Yeah. Ready to plant, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, real small farmer this, you know.
Yeah, man. Don't know. Straight out of Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth.
Yeah. So you want to big up in every day, brother?
Yo, you don't know, you know. You got all of the massive and include them in the Burn Savannah, you know. You don't know. You are the thing who take me to the show and thing. It's like power, you know. You don't know. Big up the whole of the youth. Them.
Jamaican vibes.
Yeah, whole Jamaican vibes. Big up the youth them from the lane. You got Big Dog as a farmer, them, all of them, you know. Yeah, man. You got Zuki, Chester, everybody. Wicked, everybody. Straight out of Burn Savannah.
Yeah, man, what you mean? You know, say I Burn Savannah thing this because it's in a Burn Savannah. We planting most grabber at Burn Savannah right now. The most hot grabber. You got all about over the countryside, go sell hot grabber, all about. People from all about come support us.
Yeah.
All about come support us.
Don't know, especially for the Chilani.
Yeah, up on the Chilani side.
They say the people don't love it when you rope twist, you know?
Yeah, man, you have a thing with them called the rope twist. Yeah. After you harvest it, you rope twist it. And all about our Chilani tourists love it.
Yeah. Mix it with them local kush, you know? Yeah, you don't know it more flavor, you know. Yeah, we look at herbs and things.
Yeah.
It are the thing, you know. Without the herbs, no vibes, you know.
Yeah.
So you have to have it.
Yes, my people say I don't know, say true Jamaican vibes there, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Fire read.
Hold on. Oh, what about your blood clot?
So basically I show you how I'm put it my plant two in one hole, so you know, so I'm gonna give you one quick fast one and put it in the hole and show how you cover it and so forth, you know? Yes, my people, you say a place green and pretty. I get some rain still, but kind of stop here now, so you want to look more rain same way. So in the country, we can't hungry in the country, so we have a banana tree same way. Can't hungry in the country. So I take a walk go up on the farm, you know? I was surviving at the morning here. Check for the local piglet, you know. So the Jamaican, we always surviving in the morning. Check sure, make sure say the pig alright and everything same way. Same fluffy. You don't know him very, very fluffy. You know, say true Jamaican vibes. So this is what you call it brand hog, you know. I am do all I servicing, they call it one of the brand hog. They call him a service man. So welcome to my channel, my people, True Jamaican Vibes. Yeah, so right now I'm up on the tobacco farm right now, same way. If you take a good look, my people. So at the moment now, you know, so them are very small. So I give them about like 2 months, 3 months before it starts to some harvesting. Few weeks, they might grow up very, very tall. So this right now the sucker, we transplant right now. Yeah, see farmer here again.
Yeah man, I don't know. It wasn't for Mr. Father, more the big sign that thing, you know, big up Asha same way as well, you know.
Yeah man, you see that? Man hand full of Grabba.
It all done prepared already, so
See
you know.
it all done prepared, my people. See it? I'm show you and put it in nice style.
Alright. First, we drop them out, you know. Check this place. Mark every hole, drop them out one by one, you know. Straight down the line, you know.
Yeah, so I'm sure if you plant the hot Grabba, you know.
Straight down the line, drop them out.
So true Jamaican vibes, fair read.
These are the leaf, you know, that we use and cover them after planting for 2 days, because you don't know if you don't cover them, sun have a burn them up and it don't make no sense at all. So if you have leaf well prepared, or you can go chop it if you get close some apple leaf and thing, you know. Yeah. So the thing I got my boss. So we do it in the early morning give us vibes to plant.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so me in the mood, you know, in the vibe. So right now, watch me now, watch it flick, you see?
Yes, man, show you how to plant them, people. See it there?
Clear away the surface and thing. 2 finger, juke it, pull it, push it down, squeeze it, the dirt even dry now, but I'm going to wet it after. So you don't know. That's the way.
Just cover one of them, let me see. Just show them cover one of them. Just show them cover one of them for me.
I'm still going to use them after a while, see them way. So.
Look how we plant Grabba, my people, in Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth.
Even though I should have water it and you can still water after. So you're going to cover it, juke, you leave them both sides over it. So you don't know whichever side the sun come over. You won't affect it, you still get some air and then same way as well, you know. So one day, so you leave it for 2 days and make the thing keep. Yeah. Pick up tea in the morning as well too, you know, them you there every day at the farm, you know.
Yo man, the tea there. A real top man in Burn Savannah, the tea, you know. Real general in that place. Check out on the road in the morning and circling friend them and family same way. So if you big up you use them in the morning, use them in the future. Big up them. Big up my boss. Yes, my people, so you see it. Country life sweet. Nothing can beat the country life, I tell you, with farming. We farm anything or anywhere we farm. Anything at all. So yeah. So my people, like, share and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Last word I give them, my people, what you tell them, say?
Yes, sir. Just go and watch the program, because I think you have a shot. If you're not shot now, you have a shot anytime when you see one. So just bless up on yourself the whole wide world, you know. Love on.